Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate. It's the end of the blueberry season here in Maine. We were told through these woods and up a hill are the last blueberry patch of the season. Hopefully, there's still some left. Oh no, oh no. If these are the blueberries, we're in trouble. They're so teeny and done. There's not enough for a pie. There's bushes everywhere, but not a berry to eat. My pie will not be made with wild Maine blueberries. I'm gonna have to go to a conventional farm and harvest. Nature gives and nature takes away. It's late in the season for Maine blueberries. They're basically done. But we heard in Massachusetts, there's still some in the fields. So we've come down to Groton, Autumn Hill Farms. We're gonna get our blueberries. Welcome to Massachusetts in the fall. Well, hello.
David, nice to meet you.
Nice
Ed.
to meet you. What a beautiful farm you have.
Thank you.
These orchards are ridiculous.
We are at the end of our season.
That's what I heard. Yeah. We've been looking all up and down the coast.
We have some for you.
Yay. Do you want to take me out there?
Absolutely.
All right.
Let's do it. So our blueberries are in this direction over here.
Wow.
So we have 90 acres here. We're trees planted on probably 55 acres. People love to come up to the top of this hill, and we have a 45-mile view from up there.
Ed chose to grow his crops organically, a decision that has brought challenges in recent years. So tell me the ups and downs. I mean, you just said that there was a frost and your stone fruit didn't happen this year.
That's right.
So what did you do? What do you do?
So we took the opportunity to aggressively prune the trees. It's also reminding us that the weather's changing. And, you know, we're trying to make sure we understand what that means at the orchard.
Right.
And making sure that we're buying the, you know, the trees that have the right hardiness, making sure that we have irrigation. So we're focused on those things too.
That's good.
Our blueberries are up here underneath the tent.
I see raspberries and blueberries.
We put the net up on the blueberries this year, and we were losing a third of our blueberries to the birds. Each row we have is a different variety of blueberry. The farther up you go, the later they mature. We are going to head up to that back corner because I know there's some blueberries up there.
I didn't know that there were different varieties of blueberry.
They have different characteristics. Size, when they ripen, the flavors are different.
When you're picking them, it's like one for me, one for the pie. This was all on one little branch. These are good pie berries right here.
It's not like in full season, but we still have some left.
We're getting close.
All right, good work.
Thank you very much. This is amazing. I'm gonna bring these back to Chef, and we're gonna make a pie.